Hey, this is Luke from Nick's Handmade Boots. I'm going to be trying on the BuilderPro HD for the first time today and lacing it up and seeing how it goes. All right, that felt pretty good going on. And let's go. So I guess I'm going to fold that gusset in there like that. And I have never tried these on before, so. So a lot easier than the normal gusset here. All right, so these boots have the bigger eyelet at the top. So we're gonna finish these off with a logger's knot. So I'm gonna run the lace through the top here while keeping it attached to the hook. All right, so at this point you just run your lace back through the direction it came in. Same with the other side. Make sure these laces don't leave the hooks, and then run the lace through the loop that you made at the other side. And then you can tighten it from here, and then you can either cut them off or I guess wrap them around or tie them however you want. So I got the boots on, got them all laced up, and they feel really comfortable. I have no pressure on either side of my foot. Everything feels really good. These are built on the Thermalast, but I think this is great. This is a really cool build. I really like the tongue and how I don't have to fold it over. So this boot comes with a relief notch here to help bunching and biting. You can see that on this boot, my normal boot, where it doesn't have the notch, it does that. This one just kind of moves really naturally. Feels really good, like no break-in. This boot also features a larger asymmetrical heel counter there, and it supports the side of your foot a little more. So, and it gets rid of the multiple layers of leather right here. And that's how you lace up the BuilderPro HD. Thanks for watching. Director, what is my line? Line? Hold on. For relaxing time, make it Suntory time. Okay.